Welcome to IKnowGadgets. Today, we have an exciting topic that combines innovation, precision, and limitless possibilities. We'll be diving into the world of metal 3D printing and exploring the 5 best metal 3D printers of 2023 that you can get your hands on this year. These cutting-edge machines are revolutionizing the manufacturing industry and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So if you're ready to witness the future of fabrication, let's get started. Number 5. Official Creality Ender 5 S1. Introducing the official Creality Ender 5 S1 3D printer, your ultimate tool for high-speed and precision printing. With a printing speed of up to 250 mm/, you can bring your designs to life quickly and efficiently. The Sprite Full Metal Direct Extruder ensures smooth and reliable filament feeding, while the high-temperature capability of up to 300 degrees Celsius allows you to work with a wide range of materials. The generous print volume of 220 x 220 x 280 m gives you ample space to bring your creations a reality. Upgrade your 3D printing experience with the official Creality Ender 5 S1 and unlock a world of possibilities. Number 4. Official Creality Ender 5 S1. This printer boasts a rapid printing speed of up to 250 mm/, allowing you to bring your ideas to life quickly and efficiently. Equipped with a 300 high-temperature nozzle and a direct drive extruder, it ensures reliable filament feeding and enables you to work with a wide range of materials. The CR Touch auto leveling feature ensures accurate and hassle-free bed leveling for optimal printing results. With its stable cube frame design and high precision, the Ender 5 S1 delivers exceptional print quality. Embrace the generous print volume of 8.66 x 8.66 x 11.02 inches, providing ample space for your creations. Number 3. Creality Halot-Lite Resin 3D Printer. Featuring an 8.9 monochrome LCD screen and UV 4K resolution, this printer delivers stunning detail and accuracy in your prints. The integral light source enables fast printing speeds, ensuring efficient workflow. With Wi-Fi control, you can conveniently manage and monitor your prints remotely. The easy slicing software simplifies the printing process, making it accessible to all users. Embrace the larger print size of 7.55 x 4.72 x 7.87 inches, providing ample space for your creations. Upgrade your Resin 3D printing experience with the Creality Halot-Lite and unlock a world of high-quality, high-precision prints. Number 2. QIDI Technology X-PlusⅡ. Experience the power of industrial-grade 3D printing with the QIDI Technology X-PlusⅡ 3D printer. This new upgrade introduces intelligent features that enhance your printing experience. With a large print size of 10.6 x 7.9 x 7.9 inches, you have ample space to bring your designs to life. The X-PlusⅡ is capable of printing with a variety of materials, including nylon, carbon fiber, and PC, expanding your possibilities for functional prototypes and durable end-use parts. The high-precision printing ensures exceptional detail and accuracy in your prints. Upgrade your 3D printing capabilities with the QIDI Technology X-PlusⅡ and unlock a world of advanced industrial-grade printing. Number 1. Official Snapmaker a 350T. With its upgraded features, this printer offers versatility and precision for all your creative projects. The large work area of 320,350,330 mm gives you ample space to bring your ideas to life. Enjoy the convenience of FDM 3D printing with auto leveling and resume printing, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted printing. Unlock your creativity with laser engraving and CNC carving, adding intricate details and customization to your designs. Upgrade your 3D printing experience with the official Snapmaker a 350T and explore a world of possibilities. And there you have it, the 5 best metal 3D printers of 2023. These remarkable machines are paving the way for groundbreaking advancements in manufacturing, engineering, and design. Whether you're a professional in the industry or a passionate hobbyist, these metal 3D printers offer unparalleled precision and versatility. If you want to bring your ideas to life and unlock a world of endless possibilities, be sure to check out the link in the description below to explore and purchase these incredible machines. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to IKnowGadgets for more exciting technology updates. Stay innovative, stay inspired, and happy printing.